and welcome to a virtual coastal cruise. I'm back with you today aboard my 2017 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory with the glorious SC Project CRT exhaust, virtual reality exclusive, riding through this beautiful simulation to show you what the Pacific Coast Highway looks like while you listen to the sweet sound of the V4 and my silly voice. Now I'm virtually out here today in Orange County, virtual Orange County, because I needed to drop off my virtual Sprinter van for some maintenance, and one of the challenges that comes with moving a considerable distance from where you used to live and where you've built relationships with people that do maintenance on your vehicles, like change your Sprinter van's oil, and also when you find that the new place that you move has a lack of people that specialize in the things that you like Sprinter vans and Aprilias. You find yourself coming back to where you live because it's just kind of far but not too far away. But when you do things like this and you have a Sprinter van, you throw your Tuono in the back, take your Sprinter van, drop it off first thing in the morning, unload your Tuono, and go play around for the day. And when my van's ready, I'll simply roll the old girl up here back in the back and drive home. Also nice too to get out because it's been so hot and I haven't been able to figure out a good virtual reality adjustment for the temperature back in the Inland Empire Temecula Valley simulation. So the temperature works better out here in this simulation and I'm digging it, although it is still a bit warm. Had a bit of a heat wave over here, as I think the rest of the country has been as of late. You know, being right next to the ocean and the bay certainly helps in terms of keeping things cool. Very happy to get my Sprinter in for service though. She has been to a lot of racetracks and kind of all over the state of California and even into Nevada this year. So she deserves some fresh oil, a fresh filter, fresh air filter, and a quality looking over. Especially before we continue to make progress with the racing journey. So I mentioned in my last video, got some maintenance items to take care of on the Daytona 675R, just some general TLC. Gonna check my valve clearances and adjust if necessary. Change my oil, of course, and filter as I do after every race weekend. And yeah, just make sure everything's good. Probably flush my cooling system too. Change out the spark plugs. Inspect the air filter, even though I replaced that like a month and a half ago, so should still be fine. But yeah, we'll get all that stuff taken care of and then get out to race with CVMA for their October and December rounds. Sure to be a good time. Sure to be a nice way to end my time with the yellow plate. Gonna be pretty cool to rock an expert plate in 2023. Feeling good about it. I did get all of the parts on order that I need for my Daytona 675R's TLC. I also ordered a new timing chain, which I think will be a good move just because the bike does have a little over 15,000 miles on it and it has been a race bike for the last 2,500-ish of those. And I have had to make some small adjustments to my manual cam chain tensioner a few times to take up for that, but it's been working out nicely. Still think it would be a good preventative measure. And then hopefully I have all the shims that I need in my hot cams shim kit and won't need to order any from Triumph like I did last time, which just kind of prolonged things. But we will see. We'll get creative if we have to, trade some shims between valve buckets if we have some clearances that will be better off if we were to do that. Go be work, but it's going to be fun. And it's going to feel good when it's done. A Taycan on a flatbed. The things that you see in virtual Corona Del Mar. I do like that color on that M4. It's like a silver, but a tiny little bit of blue. But yes, again, have the Daytona's parts on order, everything that I know I'm going to need or think I'm going to need at this stage, and we will see if we need shims. That's new, but let's enjoy some of these views here, because there are some good ones, like that ocean. Look at that. And more ocean. A little closer there. A little hazy out today, but still quite beautiful. Especially now that we're out of all the virtual traffic. That feels good. Look at that, right down on the ocean here. Waves crashing, people enjoying the beach in this beautiful simulation. But those people up on that cliff there, pretty happy with their view from their simulated mansion. Quite nice. Look at this. Wild R6 has appeared. Look at this guy. He's doing a good job lane splitting. Being defensive and cautious. I like it. What do you guys think? An R6 for the next race bike? Thinking you guys would probably prefer to see me on an RSV4. Don't think that's any secret. Would only make sense since I'm a Tuono boy. That would be an expensive bike to race though, for sure. Mighty hot sitting here at this light on this bright sunshiny day with my black leather jacket, but at Gat baby, at Gat, dressed for the slide, not the ride. Even though it is hot over here, it's definitely not as hot as it is back at home. That is for certain. It's been getting up over 100 degrees every single day, and early in the day too. It's usually over 100 by like 11 a.m. Not out here though by the ocean. Be willing to bet it's probably 85 degrees, might feel like 90 because, well, I am sitting with a bunch of other hot vehicles. I'm sitting on a hot Aprilia, so just lots of heat overall on these here roadways. I'm doing everything that I can to keep cool. Within reason, of course. I am wearing my gear, because that's what smart boys do. Thinking I can fit right here. That's the first time that's happened in a while. That's an aftermarket alarm though, that's why. Very sensitive. I didn't even blip the throttle, really. Oh well. Oh, that's simulated airflow. So good. That's got to be at least 85 degrees here, if not 90. It is hot. Proper. Just not absolutely scorching like it is in my home right now. Gotta love these views. A lot of good vantage points around here. I do miss it sometimes, but I love owning the house. Take a little trip down memory lane here real quick and cruise past where I used to work way back in time when we all worked from offices all of the time. Had some good times for sure. Back up there. Good times. But anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one up. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, even though it was just a little cruise and jibber jabber. Hopefully you enjoyed some nice views and some beautiful Aprilia V4 sounds. If you did enjoy this video, I would sincerely appreciate a gentle little click of the like button, and if you consider subscribing for more motorcycling content like this. And drop a comment below. Have you been riding this summer, or has it been too hot at any part like it is getting for me most of the time right now? Let's talk about riding in the heat down in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll hope to catch you in the next one. Until then, later.